In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight table rows and columns in WPS Office Mobile. Highlighting rows or columns in your tables can make your data easier to read and organize, especially when working with large spreadsheets or documents. Using the highlight feature allows you to visually separate important sections and improve the overall presentation of your tables. To start, open your table in WPS Office Mobile and identify the row or column that you want to highlight. First, tap the very first cell in the row or column you wish to format. You will notice a gray circle at the bottom right corner of the cell. This circle allows you to extend the selection. Drag the gray circle down for a row or across for a column until all the cells you want to highlight are selected. Once your selection is complete, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the Fill icon. This icon provides a selection of colors to apply to the selected cells. Tap on the color of your choice and the cells will immediately be highlighted. This method is perfect if you're looking to quickly add visual emphasis using the standard color options. If you want to use more color options or find a specific shade, there is another way to access additional colors. First, select the same row or column you want to highlight, just like before. Then, tap the icon at the bottom left corner of the screen to access more tools. From there, tap Table Properties. This opens a menu where you can customize various aspects of your table. In the Table Properties menu, tap Shading. This will bring up the shading options for the selected cells. On the right side of the color selection, tap the drop-down menu. Here, you will see additional colors that are not available in the Quick Fill menu. Tap the color you want to use, and the selected row or column will be highlighted with your chosen shade. This method gives you more flexibility and allows for precise customization of your tables. By using these tools, you can create tables that are not only functional but also visually appealing. Highlighting helps to emphasize important data, making your document easier to read and understand for anyone viewing it. Once you are satisfied with your highlights, you can continue editing your table or document as usual. The changes are applied instantly, so you can see the effect immediately and adjust as needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.